Hello student. Today we are going to start with our first unit, that is the meaning of term of various basic concepts. Okay, in that basic concept the first concept is business. Okay, prior to this lecture we had seen what is the business. So business is what? It is nothing but it is the a commercial activity where person or group of persons comes together to achieve a common goal. Okay, now we are going to see the meaning in detail. So business is the activity of making one's living or making money by producing or buying and selling the product like goods and services. Some business are manufacturing, some business are service oriented. They are producing services, giving services. Some businesses they are manufacturing goods that is going to be sold out in against the money. Okay, simply we also say business is an activity or enterprise entered into for a profit. Then having a business name does not separate the business entity from the owner. Okay, as in our unit number second, there are various types of a business organization like sole proprietor, partnership, joint stock. Okay, so here is ownership in the sole proprietor, the one person that is the owner, the all rights are given to that owner. In the partnership firm, what happened? Those are the partners. The rights and responsibilities are divided in between them. In joint stock company, whoever the partners or shareholders, okay, shareholders of the company, the rights and responsibilities are divided in them, okay, as per their share percentage. Likewise, here it means that the business name is not separated from the owner, which means that the owner of the business is responsible and liable for debts incurred by the business. Means whatever there is any profit or loss from the business, for that totally whoever the owner of that business is responsible for that. If the business acquires debt, the creditor can go after the owner's personal possession. Means what? If that business is collapsed, okay, at that time whatever the creditors are there, they are going to refund their debts from the personal property of that businessman or the owner of the organization. Then a business structure does not allow for corporate tax rates. The proprietor is personally taxed on all income from the business. So whatever the income derived or taken from the business, on that income he have to pay his tax liability towards the government. So he is totally liable to pay tax on whatever the income he earned from that business. Okay, then business is an economic activity which involves regular production and or exchange of goods and services with the main purpose of earning profit through the satisfaction of human wants. Okay, so every business whenever that is going to be started, at that time whatever the human wants is there, to fulfill that human wants there is the manufacturization of goods and services, and the main purpose behind that is to earn the profit by satisfying that all human needs. That is a economic activity. Okay, so we also say that the business involves the production and exchange of goods. Then the main aim of the business is to earn the profit. It must be satisfy the human wants, or it is the activity that is organized and performed under the framework of an institution known as the business organization as well as firm and enterprise. Okay, So here is the definition according to B.O. Wheeler. What he says, that business is an institution organized and operated to provide goods and services to society under the incentive of a private gain. Okay, so according to the author B.O. Wheeler, he says that business is nothing but it is an institute which was organized and operated to provide goods and services to the human to satisfy their needs under the incentive of private gain. Private gain means what? The common objective of the business that to earn the profit. That is their private gain. And we all know any business, whenever they started or the owner or businessman started their business, at that time there is a common objective of them is to earn the profit. Okay, so we shortly can say that business provides all human activities directed towards earning profit or economic gains like industry, trade, banking, transport, insurance, warehousing, advertise, etc. These all are the integral part of modern business. Okay, so here is the second definition, that business refers to all of those activities which are concerned with the production or purchase and sale of goods and service with the purpose of selling them at profit. And business is an organization or a entity that sell goods or service for a profit. The most important part of this definition is that the business is something that operate in order to make a profit. Not all businesses actually successful enough make a profit, but their main purpose is to generate profit. Okay, so for today this is our lecture regarding towards the meaning and definition of this term business. Thank you.